Airports are designed in a way that quietly exposes inexperienced travelers. And the mistakes people make there don't just make you look lost. They cost money, delay your flight, and sometimes get you pulled aside in front of everyone. Here are the airport mistakes seasoned travelers never make. After thousands of flights moving through U.S. and international airports, the patterns are obvious. The same mistakes every day from people who just don't know. Mistake number 1, standing in the wrong security line. Pre-check, clear, priority, regular. People waste 30 minutes just by not looking up. Always check the overhead signs before committing to a line. You may lose 10 to 30 plus minutes in peak, crowded, or confusing security areas. If you miss your flight due to this, immediately contact your airline to rebook. Mistake number 2, bringing a full water bottle. Everyone knows the rule. Everyone forgets anyway. Empty it before security, refill it inside. Even with pre-check, you cannot bring full-sized liquid bottles through. Liquids must be 3.4 ounces or less. You can bring any size empty reusable water bottle through security. Mistake number 3, overpacking the carry-on. When your bag barely closes, you're one gate agent away from a forced check and a baggage fee. Check your airline's weight restrictions, often 15 to 40 pounds, and weigh your bag beforehand. Wear your heaviest clothes like jackets and boots on the plane. Mistake number 4, not screenshotting the boarding pass. Airport Wi-Fi fails, apps freeze, screenshots don't. If a technical issue occurs, you will have to find an airline counter or kiosk to print a physical pass, potentially holding up the boarding line or causing you to miss your flight, especially if you have no checked bags. Screenshot the entire boarding pass, ensuring the QR code and all information are clearly visible. As an additional backup, add the image in your photo gallery. Mistake number 5, boarding too early. Hovering at the gate doesn't get you on faster. It just raises stress and crowds the area. Airlines use a phased group or zone system to ensure an orderly and efficient boarding process. When passengers ignore this system, it disrupts the flow. Relax in the general gate area until your specific boarding group, zone, or row number is called. Mistake number 6, using random USB ports. Public charging ports can be tampered with. Use a wall plug or battery pack. Public USB ports are vulnerable to tampering by criminals who can install malware or monitoring software. The FBI and the TSA both recommend avoiding them to protect your data. Mistake number 7, ignoring seat selection timing. Airlines quietly release better seats closer to departure. Check again at online check-in. For example, many desirable seats, like extra legroom or those near the front, are initially reserved for elite frequent flyer members. As the departure date nears and those elites are upgraded to a premium cabin, their original economy seats open up for general assignment. Mistake number 8, not watching gate changes. Gates change constantly. People miss flights while eating 10 gates away. Changes are a common occurrence in the dynamic environment of airport operations due to a variety of factors. Savvy travelers know to continuously check the flight status on official airline apps, airport information screens, or the TSA website for the most up-to-date gate information, and always check the gate number again just before boarding time. Mistake number 9, using airport currency exchange. Generally, you should avoid exchanging currency at the airport, as it typically offers some of the worst rates, sometimes charging 14% to 17% more than the official rate, plus high fees. It is much better to use a local bank ATM upon arrival, order currency from your bank beforehand, or use a low-fee travel card. Mistake number 10. Wearing too much tech through security. Multiple phones, smartwatches, tablets buried in your bag. Stacking electronics makes scanners flag your bag for inspection. Keep all smaller gadgets in a dedicated, organized bag for easy removal. There you have it, the 10 airport mistakes savvy travelers avoid every time. And that's just the airport basics. Security is where most travelers get pulled aside, bags searched, and things confiscated, often for items they didn't even realize were a problem. Those mistakes are next. If you want to travel smarter and avoid the stuff most people learn the hard way, you're in the right place. This is The Savvy Traveler. I'll see you in the next one.